Hello all, welcome to Global Finex. Myself Premka C, Chartered Accountant and Company Secretary, a tech consultant at GFX. We offer you education, technology and taxation services. In this session, I would like to discuss with you all the impact of COVID-19 on residential status of individual. Recently, many of the NRIs have come to India prior to lockdown and were not able to move out due to flights non-availability. And some of them are completing 182 days or more condition as they were not able to move back. Now, the very important question that they have in their mind is, will they be called as resident in India and hence all their global income is made taxable? And they came to India with an intention to live before satisfying the period of 182 days stay during financial year 2019-20. But they were unable to move considering the lockdown. Considering the request from many citizens or many NRIs, the central government has issued a clarification with respect to Section 6 of Income Tax Act 1961. It has released a circular dated 8th May 2020. Here is the abstract of circular that we made for you for better understanding of the contents. For easy understanding, we have given 3 columns: date of visit to India, status as on 31st March, and what is the exemption days that he is going to get from calculating the period of 182 days. First case, he has been in India or he reached India before 22nd March 2020 and as on 31st March he is still in India. In that case, he is supposed to get an exemption of 10 days from the calculation of 182 days. In the second situation, he was quarantined on or after 1st March 2020 and as on 31st March he hasn't moved out of India. In that case, from the date of quarantine till 31st March 2020. In the same situation that he is quarantined on or after 1st March 2020 and he is moved by evacuation flight by that respective country, in that case, from the date of quarantine to till that evacuation, these days he will get exemption from 182 days. In the fourth scenario, he reached India before 22nd March and he is moved by evacuation by that respective country. He will get exemption from 22nd March 2020 to till that evacuation date. So guys, that's all about the circular. Hope I have delivered the content very clearly. If you have any doubts, please do share your views in the comment section. Also, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. Stay updated, stay chartered.